Hi, my name is Keenan Maxfield. I'm a owner of Maxfield Innovations and a technical support agent for Green Ghost Solar Wholesale Distribution. And I'm going to give just a quick video here showing the brace option, the brand new option from Montana Solar, the braces. This option is great. I'm going to show it to you right now. It took me a while to figure out how to install it, and that's why I'm making this video. So if any of you are not familiar with the Montana Solar mounts, I love them. They're my absolute favorite mount. You use a chain hoist to support the rack, and then you build the rack at waist level. And it's awesome. You can build this entire frame at waist level. Then you put the rails on, as that one has the rails attached. And then you can mount all the solar panels. You could leave a gap here for the pole, and all the solar panels can be mounted. Use the chain hoist to raise it to head level, and then you can do the wiring underneath, and then raise it the rest of the way, secure it down, doing almost very, very little work from a ladder. I absolutely love it. So that is the brief rundown. So they recently added these braces as an optional option. And what that does is that makes it way stronger without adding as much steel as if you were to just make this all more heavy duty. So makes it lighter and stronger for the same amount of strength. And basically with these, you put in this L bracket here, put in an L bracket here, put in an L bracket there, and let's see, this bolt here, you'll want to be aware that bolt there is not in the center of that beam. Center of that beam is over here. So to accommodate for that, these L brackets have a long slot, and so this one is in the far that way adjustment of that slot, so that you have to put that in when you're first assembling this, and then that makes it so that everything else lines up nice and even. There's a washer on this side. And another pro tip, you want to make sure that this L angle on the bracket is on the outside. So that way, when it's like this, you have a wide open space to access this bolt. And we learned that the hard way over here on this one. As you can see, on this one, we put the L brackets the other way, or these L angle irons rather, the other way, and now there's no access to that bolt. So you can't really get a torque tool or any power tools on that. So I really like it. The other thing is, if you buy this right now, there are no manuals, and if you call Montana Solar and ask them for help, they don't have any resources to send you. So that's the other reason I'm making this this video. Hopefully midnight, why am I saying that? I'm hoping that Montana Solar will respond to this video and give me a thumbs up that I did this right. I don't know when they do come up with a manual if they're going to say to flip one of these a different way. This is just how I figured out how to install this without any other instructions. So if you personally know anyone at Montana Solar, please send them this video and ask them to respond down in the comments below. Thank you so much.